Unsure how to pack a backpacking bag? We've got you. First things first, choosing the right bag. When packing for a backpacking trip, you'll need a pack that is big enough for the length of your trip. Between 45 and 65 liters is just right for most backpacking trips. Start by putting bulky medium weight items you don't need until camp at the bottom of your pack. This can include the sleeping bag, sleeping pad, tent body, and camp clothes. Pack the heaviest items like stove, fuel, cooking gear, and food close to the back panel. This helps keep your center of gravity close to your body for better carry and balance. Ensure nothing sharp or pointy can poke your back. A layer of clothing or a foam seat pad between rigid items and your back can make your trip a lot more comfortable. Put lightweight items towards the front of the pack. This can include extra clothing, a camp towel, and a pillow. Put larger items you might need quick access to on the top of your pack. This can include your puffy jacket, hiking pants, and water filter. Store smaller essential items in your zippered lid pocket. This can include a GPS device, toilet kit, first aid kit, map, snacks, and headlamp. The side pockets of your pack can store your water bottle, water filter, and possibly tent pole. The hip belt pockets are great for storing on-trail nutrition, sunscreen, or your phone. The front pouch pocket is a great place for your rain shell and other insulating layers that you may need to take on and off while on trail. This is also a convenient place for your camp shoes if you plan to bring them. When hiking in bear country, be sure to bring bear spray, kept where you can reach it quickly, like a shoulder strap, and a bear canister for storing food and any fragrant items like toothpaste. Check out the blog to learn how to pack a bear can, which can be tricky to fit. No matter where you're headed, be sure to bring all 10 essentials and follow the 7 leave no trace principles and have a great trip.